Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by identifying the minimal prerequisites, language, library, and the problem statement so you capture correct context. Once done, open your code editor and a note app side by side and create a single-line header with date, course, and topic. You should name files consistently. This prevents confusion later. Make sure to record input/output expectations and version numbers. Then capture the first example or failing test right away so you have a concrete anchor for every concept you add. Now organize. Group related notes under clear headings such as data structures, algorithms, and complexity. You add a short code snippet and show expected output plus at least one edge case because examples make abstract ideas concrete. Once you tag or label each block, write a one-line summary that captures the core idea. This makes future searching much faster. Make sure to include time or space complexity in a compact form so comparisons are immediate when revisiting. Finish by reviewing and distilling final takeaways into concise action items you can practice later, like implement or trace a function. Then export or back up your notes using version control or cloud sync to avoid loss. If something breaks, restore the last working file and write the exact error and fix. That troubleshooting record saves hours. Make sure to add a brief checklist for follow-up so you return with a clear next step rather than starting from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.